As you can see on the screen, more than 208,000 tasks has been completed on this website. Small gigs, big results. So in this video today, you are going to learn how to start completing small gigs and start making money for yourselves. These are gigs which you basically do every day without getting paid. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to start making money by performing simple tasks on this website. So if this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I make videos about making money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. Without any further ado, let's get over to today's business. So to start, you need to create an account for yourself, and to do that, the link to it is going to be in the description section of this video. Immediately you tap on that, locate the freelancer section and scroll to the bottom of it. You are going to be seeing a green start now button. All you need to do is to tap on that, and you're going to be taken to another interface where you need to register an account for yourself. So to register, you're going to input your first name, last name, username, gender, male or female, your email, referral which is optional, password, and confirm your password. And also take note of this place that talks about creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited, one account per person. So take note of that. If you create more than one account, your accounts are going to be banned on this website. So take note of this. Scroll downward, then you click on the sign up button to create an account for yourself. Immediately your account is created on this website, you are going to be taken straight to your dashboard, and all you need to do right now is to come over to the three dashes at the top right corner of your home screen. Once you tap on that, a notification is going to pop up on your screen right now, and as you can see, we have the dashboard there, we have the profile, we have available jobs, wallet, accounts, and this post job is where you yourself can basically post job if you want to grow your social media platform. But we are here to start making money for ourselves. So what you need to do right now is to click on that available jobs right now, and once you tap on that, it's going to take you to another interface where you will see the available jobs which you can perform to make money for yourself. So as you can see, you can basically filter the kind of task you want to do, either the most recent, which are the one they just posted, or the highest paying. So you can just filter the one you want to do. So these are tasks which are most recent here. As you can see, you can get paid up to 30, 40, 50 naira here, even 100 naira self. So, and these are simple tasks which you basically do for yourself every day without getting paid. So just leverage on this website and start making money for yourself. And if you filter out the highest paying, you can even earn more higher. So as you can see, this one is paying 500 naira, this one is paying 400 naira, and so on like that. So now let's say you want to perform a task on this application. All you need to do is to click on the view job button at the front of the task. Once you click on that, you are going to be taken to another interface where you are going to be given the instruction about the task. So this is the task instruction. So what you need to do is to read through the instruction before taking the task. So once you understand the instruction, you can then perform the task, and once you are done performing the task, you submit the proof. So to submit proof, just scroll downward, then you click on proof. So you click on proof here, then you type I have performed the task, or anything. Just type anything that is related to what you just did. So just type it, and once you are done, the screenshot which you made, you're gonna put it here, and once you are done, you click on submit proof, and that's how to perform task on this website. So once you reach the minimum withdrawal and you want to withdraw on this platform, all you need to do is to click on these three dashes at the top right corner and click on wallet. You'll be taken to another interface where you'll be seeing your total earning, and at the bottom of it, you are going to be seeing withdraw earnings. So what you need to do is to tap on that withdraw earnings, and you are going to be taken to another interface where you are going to put in the amount you want to withdraw on this platform. So as you can see, the minimum withdrawal here is just 2,000 naira. So once you reach 2,000 naira, you can basically submit your request for withdrawal, and they are going to process this and send it to the account number which you've provided on this website. But before withdrawal, you need to add your account number for withdrawal. So to add account number, all you need to do is to come over to these three dashes at the top right corner of your home screen right now. And once you tap on that, you are going to tap on profile, and it's going to take you to your profile where you are going to be making changes, and you are going to be setting your bank account number. Once you are on your profile, all you need to do is to tap on update profile in order to add your withdrawal account. So it's going to take you to where you need to edit your profile, and you are going to scroll downward, and you are going to locate where you can add your bank account. As you can see here, you choose your bank, write your bank name, your account number, and your account name. So once you are done with that, you are going to click on update profile, and the account number is going to be added on this website. So immediately you reach the threshold, you can just place withdrawal, and it's going to land on this bank account number. That will be the end of this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. If you have gained value from this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon, so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. Bye from here, guys.